Tired of said overpriced desk lunches? I'm going to show you how to make delicious, incredible grab-and-go baked chicken and pepper wraps to carry the whole week. Greetings, Sanbonani, and welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Grate or finely chop the garlic cloves. Today's ingredients are bell peppers, marinade chicken, and the sauce. I added salt to chop the garlic finer and more quicker. I find this way easy and less messy when slicing the peppers. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. If you are new to this channel or you've never subscribed, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It is free to subscribe. Please do not skip the adverts to support the channel. Place the chopped peppers on a lined baking sheet. Slice the onion. Use any that you have. Remember, we cook with what we have. Split the slices for maximum exposure. Do the same for the rest of the peppers. Let's make a marinade. In a bowl, place oil, add the tomato sauce or paste, then the lemon zest, then followed by the garlic, smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, and the oregano or oregano. Stir well. I had to adjust the oil because I was going to use it for both the chicken and the veggies. Cut the chicken into strips. I wanted to say that making this wrap, you will be saving money while eating healthier, taking one more stressful decision off your plate during a busy week. Please drop a comment below and let me know what is your single biggest meal prep struggle. I read all the comments and I would love to help. Marinate the chicken strips. Use your clean hands or the gloves to massage the chicken. This meal takes less than 30 minutes to put together. To support this channel, please press the like button below. Cover the bowl with the cling wrap and let it rest for at least 30 minutes in the fridge, or use it right away if you are in a hurry. Try and spread all your ingredients in a single even layer on a baking sheet so that they roast and do not steam. Season your veggies with a little bit of salt and pepper. Remember, your meat is already seasoned. Drizzle the marinade oil on the veggies. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake it between 15 to 18 minutes. You want to leave that chicken still succulent. Once baked, let them cool for a few minutes to avoid a soggy wrap. The chicken is cooked to perfection. It is moist and flavorful. The peppers still have a little bit of crunch. Let's make a spicy garlic sauce. Grate garlic cloves. Separate an egg. We're going to use an egg yolk. You may choose to use other sauces like mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, but let me tell you, this sauce is delicious. Add the mustard sauce. Add the lemon juice. Add the chili sriracha seasoning. Blend until smooth while slowly adding the oil. Blending might take you between 1 to 5 minutes. This depends on a blender type. The key is a slow, steady drizzle of oil to achieve a thick, creamy consistency. This sauce is called the garlic aioli, and it can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 10 days. There you have it, creamy, thick and delicious. By now, our filling should be cool. Let's assemble our wraps. Spread the sauce on the wrap. I am using a tortilla. Mix your veggies by tossing them. Do not crunch them, like mince them. Fill your tortillas or whichever kind of wrap you'll be using. If they are still warm, put them on a cooling rack. Then fold them and wrap them tightly in a foil or a parchment paper. Please press the like button to populate this video as support for the channel. I hope you will enjoy them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed. You are loved. Bye bye.